Hi everyone. I don't think you can probably see me, but right now I'm on the highway. About to get off exit 9. It is bad. I'm only going like 47 on the highway right now. And even the drivers are going slow. Usually I'm like a slow person because I usually try to do the speed limit, and everybody else is doing like 95 on the highway. Like, I'm not even joking. Oh, Jesus. God dang. It's bad. It's bad. Oh, I see what's going on. I'm on the freaking, that's what I'm driving on right now. Yeah, it's pretty bad. Ooh. I would set this down, but my thing is only set up for an angle to, well, I can probably push that up, but I just don't want to move it because it's been working out for me for like DoorDash and stuff, so. But yeah, that's all I've been doing, just been working. It's not looking good for selling the place. People just keep playing games. Nobody's really serious about buying it. People are basically trying to tell me it's not worth anything, just so they can get it for free. I already brought the price down like tremendously. I went from like, I already know I'm gonna get 5,400, so I went from that to 40 something, like 4,300 or something like that, and then I went down to 25, and that's as low as I'm gonna go. I told somebody I'll take 2,000. I told a couple people that, but no, people want to go lower, so fuck it. I'm just going to save up my money. Ooh, I just shifted. My car just about literally. Yeah, I don't want to be telling this person too much. It's a nice car. I don't know what kind of car it is. Anyway, but yeah, I'm just gonna save up, and oh, by the way, I put new spark plugs in today. I just didn't record that video, but it's actually doing pretty good. Today I made about like $70 something, and I was only out here for like, I got out here about 5, and I was only out for like 3 hours. This is Saturday, so the money is up a little higher. So if you're dashing, be careful with this stuff. It's pretty bad. You can probably see me a little bit better now. It's a little bit more light. It's pretty bad. But yeah, back to what I was saying, I'm just gonna save. Try to get about like $3,000 up saved. Then that's when I'll move in with my relative, and hopefully the house I still want to get is still available. I don't know if it is going to be or not by then, but so anyway, I'm gonna close this off. I'll see you at the next place. Yeah, I had to go to a different place because I was trying to get the subway, and stupid thing took me to Speedway where it used to be, and it said it was permanently closed. Like seriously? So I'm probably gonna go to Little Caesar, see if they got hot and ready. Right now I'm on Bristol Road. Rockies is gonna close. Street help. Rallies is okay, but they can kind of be expensive. Oh shoot! Oh, Caesars. They better have it hot and ready. Yeah, they had a hot and ready, and some crazy bread. Got me a Starry. Cost me it was actually $2 for the pop and $2 and something and $12 for, so I spent about $15. That's a little expensive, but something I wouldn't do every day. I mean, I was trying to get Little Caesar, Subway, but a lot of those are closed now. Alright, sorry for the lack of videos. It's just nothing can really be entertaining right now. But at least there's a storm. It's just about back. I gotta get off these roads. Usually I would go all the way to about like 10 o'clock, but I had to get off these roads pretty early. I didn't even know it was gonna get this bad. Presbyterian Church. You can't, oh shit, fuck. See, that's why you can't. So sorry about that. Oh shit. That's why you cannot fucking drive in. Oh my god. I gotta get a fucking thing for this. I gotta start looking so I can get a secondary one, because I was almost an accident and a half. And that would have been my fault. Alright, so I'm gonna put this down now, even though I'm here. God damn. That was pretty bad. Sorry about that. Jeez. See what I'm saying? That's why I gotta get off these roads, and I can't hold this phone anymore, you guys, when I'm trying to drive. Just to give you guys a video. I know I'm trying to give you guys something, but unfortunately my life right now is just, it's just not where it needs to be in order to make videos or well, I got the van back. Finally got that back. Actually, I started making a video. I had to go to Ann Arbor for doctor's appointment 2 days ago. Actually, it was the day before yesterday. I took the van all the way up there, drove good, no problems. And I started recording, but I forgot the phone charger, and that's why that video didn't get done, because I was going to go downtown Ann Arbor. And I was like, oh crap, forgot the phone charger and the phone was dying. So I had to get back. So I'm going to end it right here. I'm just going to try to put this up instead, I guess this is better than, you know, not getting any videos for like 3 weeks, right? Anyway, no luck in the place. Anybody in Flint? Look, it's like this. I'm not going no lower than 2,000. I paid $1,500 for this place originally, and I had to do a lot to it. Okay, so they got places here in Genesee County for $2,500. No working furnace, no working water, not even a toilet. I seen it posted, and nobody was laughing at their post. But if you go on mine, you got people laughing at my stuff and talking crap on it. I had to delete the comments and everything. I mean, people are just, they look at me and they're like this person here, you know, they think they already got me figured out. I'm not stupid, okay? You get in a place that works. Yeah, it needs cosmetic work. The roof leaks. But, no, I'm not stupid. When I fix that roof, if I have to fix that roof, because my plan is, I'm just going to give it back to the park. Once I get 3,000 saved up, if they still got this place I want. If not, I'm going to fix the roof, because I don't have a choice anyway. Then the price is going to go up. I'm not going to take no less than 35. Get carpeting in that room and the hallway. I'm not going to go no less than 45, or at least $40, $200. So, yeah, alright. Alright, thank you guys for watching. Sorry it's so dark in here. I'm going to try to see if I can use my torch. Yeah, that's better. I'm so tired of this dude. I'm just so fed up. I tried to go to the hair place. They never got anything. And my other dudes are just, they're just so like old now. Like, it's just, anyway, sorry I'm not into this video. I'm gonna get in and eat, and I'm just happy to get out of the storm. But yes, I gotta get a phone charger, a phone dash. I'm gonna get another one right here, so I don't get into an accident, because that could have been an accident right there, easily. So, alright, peace out, stay cool, stay tuned for the next one. 593. I'm almost at 600 subscribers. Cannot wait. I don't know if I'm gonna have anything to celebrate it with, but I promise you guys, there's gonna be better videos coming soon. In fact, the other camera's coming out, because there is this, now that I'm mentioning it, it's a gimbal stabilizer for that camera. It's $100, but now that I'm mentioning, somebody's gonna buy it, and it's a really good one too, in Genesee County. So hopefully I can get it. It's only gonna take me, it only take me a day to get the money, but bills, I gotta take care of that stuff first. So, all right. Oh my God. Yep, it's back. It was fun driving this the other day. Cannot wait to start driving it more. This right here, yeah, it's definitely better on gas mileage now. Oh, I didn't show you guys. Put the I put those on. I don't know if I can. I got that one on the side, and got that one. Been driving like a champ, so